Good morning, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, my respected teacher, and all my beloved friend. Today, I would like to share my opinion about a topic that affects many of us: smoking in campus area. First of all, let's be honest. Smoking is not a new thing. We often see people smoking in parking area, behind building, or even near classroom. Some people say it helps them feel relaxed or focused. However, we must also think about what smoking actually brings, not only to the smokers, but also to everyone around them. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed in campus area. There are three main reasons why I strongly believe this. Number one, smoking is dangerous to our health. It's not only harmful to the person who smokes, but also to those who inhale the smoke, the so-called secondhand smokers. Studies show that cigarette smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals, and hundreds of them are toxic. So, when someone smokes in the campus area, they are not just risking their own health, but also the health of their friends and lecturers. And then, number two, smoking ruins the cleanliness and environment on the campus. Have you ever noticed cigarette butts kept on the ground or in the corner of the building? Those are just not trash. They take years to decompose. It makes our campus look dirty and uncomfortable as student. We should be responsible for keeping our campus clean and beautiful. And then the last one, number three, smoking in public place gives a bad example. Campus is supposed to be a place of learning, knowledge, and good behavior. When new student or visitor see people smoking freely on the campus, what kind of image do they get? It shows a lack discipline and respect for others. We need to create an environment that supports positive habits, not harmful ones. No, I understand that smoking is a personal choice. Some people might argue that banning smoking is unfair, but freedoms come with responsibility, and then a person's right to smoke should not take away another person's right to breathe clean air. And that's why I support the idea of creating smoke-free zones or design the smoking area outside the campus building. This why everyone's rights are respected. To conclude, believe smoking in campus areas should be strictly prohibited. We all deserve a healthy, clean, and comfortable to learning environment. And let's start by being more aware and more caring, not only about our own choice, but also about the well-being of others around us. Thank you, guys.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about the simple present tense. This tense is very important because we used to talk about our daily activities and facts that never change. Let's get started. The simple present tense is used to express habits, general, truth, and fact. For example, I eat breakfast every morning, or the sun rises in the east. So, when talk about something we do regularly, we use this tense. The formula is very simple. Subject plus base verb plus s or s. For example, I play football. But if the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb. And then, example, she plays football. And we use the simple present tense to talk about habits or routines. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock, or she drinks coffee every morning. This tense describe action we do again and again. This tense is also used to talk about general truth or scientific facts. For example, the sun rises in the east, or water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. These statements are always true. Then slide number 6 is a schedule. We can also use the simple present to describe fixed schedule or timetables. For example, the bus leaves at 7 a.m. or the class starts at 8 o'clock. Even though the event in the future is a fixed schedule, so we use the simple present. Then for subject he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb. For example, he runs fast, she watch TV. But for I, you, Dewi, we use the base form on the verb. This is a negative verb. To make negative sentence, use do or does plus not and plus verb 1. For example, I don't like pizza, or she doesn't play guitar. Remember, after doesn't or don't, we use the base verb, not the one with s. Then slide number 9, question form. To make question, put do or does at the beginning of the sentence. For example, do you like ice cream? Does he live in Jakarta? We use this question to ask about habit or general truth. Simple present tense often time expression like always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. For example, she always studies at night. These words show how often an action happen. And then, here are some example for positive sentence. I read book every day. He goes to school by bus. But sentence describe regular activities. Slide number 12. Negative sentence. Example, I don't play basketball. She doesn't eat meat. And again, remember, if we use doesn't, the verb must stay in the base form, not use s or s. That's the number. Example of question sentence. Do you like coffee? Or does your brother play guitar? These are common questions from in daily English. Then slide number 14. Be careful with verb spelling change. At S, play, plays. Change Y to ES. Study to studies. Go to goes. Then slide number 15. Some common mistakes are he go to school, it's a wrong. 2. He goes to school, it's a correct for present tense. And she doesn't like apples. 2. She doesn't like apples. And slide number 16. For everyone, let's fill in the blanks together. Then slide number 17. Now let's make a question from the sentence. For example, he plays football. 2. Does he play football? This practice help you understand how to form a question correctly. Then slide number 18. You can let's try a short quiz. I drink or drink coffee every morning. C blank not go to the gym. You can fill the blank on slide number 18. Then to review, we use the simple present tense for habit, fact, fixed schedule, and remember for he, she, it, we always add s or s to the verb. Thank you everyone. Today we learned how to use the simple present tense. Now try to use to talk about your daily activities. The more your practice, the more fluent your English will become. Thank you guys.